Hey, what's going on, guys? Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here with another video for you guys. And today's video is just going to be a tad bit different because we're going to be talking about crypto, but we're not really going to be speaking about Forex. We're going to be speaking about stocks. I was having a conversation with a friend, and I don't want to say the conversation got heated, but we definitely had a difference in opinion on this. Now, typically, the friends that I have, they're at least 10 years older than me. I want to go ahead and put that disclaimer out there due to the fact that I really believe there was a tad bit of a discrepancy on age here, because you will typically find that younger people, myself, I got a birthday coming up in a couple weeks, getting ready to turn 35 years of age, but you will typically find that younger people like to go a little bit more edgy. They're into meme coins inside of cryptocurrency if they don't own the main cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But for some strange reason, when you speak to older people, let's hypothetically say 45 and above, they just haven't came around to the whole cryptocurrency wave at the moment. They have some money in stocks, they're doing options, that's just what they're into. Even if they're trading Forex or they're trading stock options, but they're not trading cryptocurrencies. They just haven't came around to it yet. Even though we have Trump getting ready to get into office, and he is going to shake up a lot of things when it comes down to cryptocurrencies. Now, what I really want to speak to you guys about, the main topic of this video, stocks versus cryptocurrency. For anyone out there who you may be a new investor, it's something that you're considering, you haven't invested before, this video is going to be great for you. And I'm also going to, try and, sway some of you guys out there that are really heavy into the stock market to potentially come on over to the cryptocurrency market. Even if you don't put all of your money into it, I definitely think that it's a great opportunity that we have today for you to diversify your portfolio and maybe take a little bit of the holdings that you have inside of the stock market and come on over and put it into cryptocurrencies. Now, and it just really seems like it doesn't matter how much time goes by, because me personally, I've been very heavy inside of owning cryptocurrencies, very heavy inside of the cryptocurrency industry ever since around 2016, 2017. Compared to what the price of Bitcoin is right now, I'm up very good on my portfolio. There's been points along the way in the years between 2017 and now 2024 going into 2025 where, of course, yes, there's been moments where I've sold some cryptocurrency, took profits, just been in life situations where, I actually needed money. So, of course, I had to go ahead and sell something that's inside of my portfolio, right? But what's important to point out is between that time of getting into the cryptocurrency industry 2017 to the current point that we're sitting at right now in 2024 going into 2025, the amount of gains that I've made inside of the cryptocurrency industry is kind of like no other. Now, there has been opportunities inside of the stock market. I will give you guys an example like Nvidia. Nvidia, you would have had the opportunity to invest in that stock and make great returns between, 2020, 2021 into 2022. And as far as Nvidia as a stock is concerned, I definitely think that over the years to come, you will also have great earnings potential when it comes to investing in that stock. It's just the question becomes, and some of you newbies out there, you might not necessarily think about it like this, but for someone who has been into, day trading and investing for some time, when you're looking at charts and you're analyzing different things, there's a question that you ask yourself, and it's, where can I put my money, or what asset can I trade that's going to make me the most amount of money, not only in the short term, but also over the long term? And I really feel like when we weigh these options, stocks versus cryptocurrencies, over the long term. Now, in the short term, we are currently in a bull market. The halvening happened a couple of months ago. You know, like I mentioned previously in the video, we have Trump coming in. He's gonna, do some great things as far as cryptocurrency with, reserves for the United States government and things like that. He has Elon Musk by his side, right? In the short term, you're gonna be able to make some decent gains. But one thing that I definitely want to point out is that over the long term, and when I say long term, I'm talking like 5 to 10 years. 2025 we're going into right now, depending on when you're watching this video. We might already be in 2025, but the next 5 to 10 years, 2030, 2035, right? Investing in Bitcoin, owning Bitcoin, investing in other different cryptocurrencies that have a use case, or heck, if you're into meme coins inside of the cryptocurrency industry, that will actually be good for you also. For the next 5 to 10 years, I really think that Bitcoin and other different cryptocurrencies, and it's not going to be all cryptocurrencies, it's going to be a select basket few that will actually make you way more returns than the actual stock market could. And if you're someone that you don't really believe that that's true, I do implore you to go ahead and take a look at the statistics, because like I said, just for myself as a cryptocurrency investor that came into the industry in 2017, right? The amount of money, just think about it. Like, I'll be honest, I'll throw some numbers out there. From 2017 all the way up through 2020, midst of the pandemic, right? I was buying Bitcoin, Ethereum. My average purchase price for Bitcoin is under $10,000. My average purchase price for Ethereum is under $300, right? When we look at the cost of these assets today, Bitcoin is on its way, the verge of breaking $100,000. 10x my money, right? Sorry, I do a little cough there. 10x my money, right? Ethereum is sitting well above $3,000. Another 10x on my money. And what's crazy, this technology that we're speaking about, cryptocurrency, is still today in 2025 in its infancy stages, where we haven't even seen the best that can actually happen. I am a true believer that within the next 5 to 10 years, over the long haul, we will see one Bitcoin worth $1 million. And that's the main reason why I say it's not too late for you to go ahead and change some money over, diversify your portfolio into the industry. Because me, as a guy that got into cryptocurrency in 2017, I'm 10x my investment inside of the industry since then. Think about it. 2017 to now, that's a 7-year journey. If we give another 7 years inside of the market from today, right, we fall right into what I just said, 2030, 2035, somewhere in that range, right? If we get the price of one Bitcoin up to $1 million, the same exact thing is going to happen for you. And I'm actually going to be now 20% up on my money. You can, in return, now, if you just start today throwing some money into the industry, you could be very well sitting at 10%. I'm sorry, not 10%, 10 times the amount of money. You throw $10,000 into Bitcoin today, it's not going to work overnight. It's not going to happen this year, next year, right? But if you take a look at it from a long-term standpoint, you can make that $10,000 into $100,000. And that's not even if you decide to invest any more money into the industry, along the way. Now, and again, for anyone out there that does not believe what I'm saying, there is a question that I will pose you. Give me a stock, right, that has the potential over the long run, not some short money grab, right? We're talking about the long run. Give me a stock that over the next 5 to 10 years, you believe you will see 1,000% gains within that stock. And I'm actually going to leave it there. It's just some food for thought for you guys. Something to really think about. Do some more digging. Do some more research. I'm just saying, right? So we're going to leave that video there. Like always, give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. If this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, do definitely go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. Forex and Crypto Trading Guru, I am out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.